Sayang lang ang buhay mo kung mapupunta ka lang sa kanya.
Iiwanan ka lang niya, mag-ingat ka. Dagdagan lamang sa milyon-milyong babae niya.
Akin ka na lang,
akin ka na lang.
iingatan ko ang puso mo. Akin ka na lang,
Akin ka na lang.
wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Di naman ako bolero tulad ng ibang tao. Totoo'y kung nandyan ka, medyo nabubulol pa nga ako. Malangis lang ang dila niyan, huwag kang madala. Dahan-dahan ka lang, baka pati ika'y mabiktima. Huwag naman sana,
Akin ka na lang.
akin ka na lang.
Ingatan ko ang puso mo. Akin ka na lang.
Akin ka na lang.
Wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Di naman sa sinisiraan ko ang pangit na yan. Huwag ka dapat sa'kin magduda, hindi kita pababayaan. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Iingatan ko ang puso mo, akin ka na lang. Wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo, akin ka na lang. Liligaya ka sa pag-ibig ko, akin ka na lang. Wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo.
Sa'yo,
Sa'yo,
sa'yo, sa'yo,
sa'yo. Salamat.
Foreigners in the house!
Wow.
But wait, how come there's just 3 of you? Where's the 4th one? Let's go to
Why-
the 4th
why
one!
don't we go?
Ang three noise.
Yeah, I don't know.
3
For the
noise!
love of noise.
There's the 4th one!
Ayun!
Come in, join us.
Hello!
Para po malaman ninyo, live po kasi.
Yes, live talaga at saktong-sakto ang dating, o, diba?
Okay.
Pero before we start, guys, please do introduce yourselves
Kilalanin
first.
natin sila one after
Yeah,
the other.
correct.
Okay. Start off.
Okay, ako po si Saku from Japan. Isasako kita.
Ako po si Giadorno, taga Brazil.
Alright.
Ako po si Aaron De Tomaso mula sa Sydney, Australia.
Ikakanggaro kita.
And
Ako po si Eric Busby, taga USA.
from USA.
Proving
na-
that we are live today.
Yes.
Right.
Really live.
May
oo.
panglima po after nito. Hindi, joke lang.
Si Ayan
what I can.
ba?
From
From?
India. Grabe naman.
Ayan from
Okay.
India.
From,
Anyway.
from
Wow.
Hong Kong. Ganun,
Yeah,
ano?
from Korea.
Apo,
From
shoot.
Korea.
Korea talaga.
Oo. Sa Korea.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Anyway.
Ator.
Oo, guys, thank you for visiting us here in Letters and Music. But before we begin, we have questions for you from our Facebook fan page.
Simulan na natin.
Yeah. So let's begin our question and answer portion. Before we begin, do you speak Tagalog, guys?
Alam ko
Chamba
konti
lang.
lang.
But do you understand
Really?
Tagalog?
You understand Tagalog?
Oo.
Siyempre.
Wow, galing
Yeah.
bongga!
Tagalogin na natin sila,
Okay,
Tagalogin.
Tagalogin,
this is
Tagalogin.
it. At dahil dyan, here's our first question for you. From Jaime De Luba Jr. Sabi niya, paano po ba nabuo ang inyong grupo?
How was the group
How were we
formed?
formed? I
Yes.
think. Okay.
Oh, may translator. Okay. Very good. Very good.
May ibang professional.
Very good. Very good. Keep it up, man. Keep it up.
Tayo ay lahat sa Eat Bulaga You're My Faranoy contest. Tapos, following with the racket, we met up together and we decided to form a boy band.
Oh,
That's right.
okay. Okay, good job.
At the time, Yun Aldab Nation was becoming very popular. We also loved what it stood for, and we thought, why not come up with an Aldab
Galing
song?
magaling.
Wow,
Mahusay mo.
nanonosebleed ako.
Next in line, galing naman, okay, coming from Elizabeth Padilla de Luba.
Aba.
Parang magkapatid siguro to.
Oo, magkapatid ata.
Okay. Excuse me, you will translate it
Okay.
for what? Okay.
Bukod po sa pag-awit.
awit, ano pa po ang kinahiligan nyo pong gawin?
Hihiligan nyo pong gawin. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So, what they're asking is, besides singing, what other things do we enjoy? Grabe, bagong trabaho.
Kailangan ba sign language?
Rocketeer. Okay. Okay.
Amazing.
Okay. Next.
Admiring art, fine art at museums, reading poetry, long walks on the beach, holding hands.
Apat sila ba talaga Amerikano?
Oh, very romantic guy
How about
to
you,
si
Gee?
Eric.
I write poetry with Eric.
It's deep. We sit under oak trees and stuff, just meditate.
Do we have oak trees here in the
I know another thing you like to do.
What?
You love going around stalking Sarah Geronimo's concerts.
Stalking, eh?
I'm a huge fan.
Nakapunta lang ako sa isa.
Isa lang, which one?
Sa Dasman last year ata.
Aba.
Pero ever since, puro Sarah lang siya. Pati kinakanta niya.
Dinedman niya ako.
Ay, dined mo ka niya. Kasi may matingin na.
Okay lang yun.
How about Aaron?
Gusto ka ng pasyal-pasyal po kasi Pilipinas may ang daming beautiful places.
Ayun. Anong paborito mong pasyalan sa Pilipinas?
Ako,
Greenbelt.
I would like to pick a specific place.
Aha.
Sa akin favorite is Tarlac City po kasi akin parang pamilya nakatira doon.
Where in Tarlac? Because I grew up also in Tarlac.
Tarlac City po. About
Kapampangan.
100 kempots from Tarlac SM City.
100 kembots?
100 kempots only. Sobrang
Andun na,
malapit.
Oy, lapit lang
Galing
nun,
nakausap ng mga to.
Ito, makitranslate po
Eh,
ulit.
si Sako
Si Sako.
naman.
Ay, sasagutin ko rin yung tanong.
Yes, of course.
Well, maraming masasarap na pagkain, maraming katuwaan, pero yung pinakahilig ko talaga, umikot-ikot ng mga banda, makipag-jamming, mga ganon.
Ayun.
So, inuman man o kantahan man, yun yung meron tayong kultura.
Uy, naalala ko kasi
Ano?
before, kasama ako sa isang grupo. Tapos, doon kami nag-meet ni Saku. So, mas nirecord niya yung gig namin. Kaya kami nagkaroon ng recording ng mga songs namin as a group.
Tsaka, that time, hindi mo lang alam, I was a stalker of you, ganon.
Wow.
I'm a big fan
Unaware
of
ka
Apple
nun,
Chew.
ah?
I'm a big fan of Apple Chew, of
Wow.
course, diba?
Kita mo?
Mamaya alis tayo. Pero si
lilibre niya
Saku,
ako.
si Saku, napakagaling na jazz singer.
Yeah, thank you very
Yun,
much.
ganong level
Oo
jazz
nga.
singer, ganong
Yes.
kalalim ang musicality ni
Ang
Saku.
musicality niya?
Yes!
Ano gusto mo kainin mamaya?
Teka, isipin natin.
Alright, we have more questions.
Ito pa,
Meron
mula
ba?
kay Early De Vera. Sasabak na din po ba kayo sa pag-arte?
Aba.
Are we going to acting? Industry, film industry?
We did a little bit already, no?
Actually,
are
I think
interested,
from all of here, Guy has a lot of experience. He has a lot of commercials already.
Yeah,
With big companies.
Back home.
Yeah.
No, here's
Here in the Philippines.
Ako, may isa pa lang commercial ko. Hindi ko
Ah.
sasabihin yung brand.
And you can see
Nakita
some
ko yun.
acting in our music video, which Key came
Oh,
up with
you
a lot of the
should
ideas
check the
for.
music video.
Oy, ang
Bit of
galing mo
role play
kamukha mo
there.
si Ayan.
Nakita mo ba yung kagandahan ko?
Ang ganda
Oh my
mo.
God.
Ito pa. Kanino pa?
Oh, galing naman kay Marie Francilca Inya. Kailan po kayo magre-release ng full-length album nyo po?
Good question. Should I answer that?
Are there plans?
Actually, we already got offered by this matter and we're currently working on it. And we're currently seeing through maybe early part of next year. Actually, by first 3 months, So
That's
please
something to
do.
look forward to.
Parang
Yeah.
yan.
We're working hard on it. Thank you very
Oh, good
much.
job. Congratulations. So you're
Yeah.
recording songs na.
Yeah. Writing and recording.
Writing and
All of you, right?
Original.
Writing?
Yes.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Galing!
May Tagalog songs din yung ibang
Tagalog ba yan?
gumagawa.
Yun
You
na nga
compose
eh.
Tagalog songs
Tagalog
as
Eric
well?
has his Tagalog compositions.
Kailangan.
Sa Tagalog.
Bang level
Oh.
si Erico.
Eto naman,
Pag
galing kay
magana.
Weng Pegad. Sabi niya, okay.
Alright.
Ano po ang inspiration nyo sa pagstay nyo dito sa Pinas? Ang
And for good na po ba kayo dito?
for good na po
Okay,
ba kayo?
Great question.
Oh, you get it, right?
For me, for ako, I love the people. I love
Thank you.
the places. Sobrang bait.
Galing.
The hospitality is amazing, and you've got a lot of beautiful people here.
Thank you.
I
that's
know,
why-
right?
Yeah. I think you just
Ikaw
recently
na.
won this award again for
Count
the
us
second time
in, you
straight.
know. We're
You
not
know-
bragging it, you know.
You know, Dora is a Filipina.
Dora.
By
Dora the
traveler,
Explorer.
explorer.
It is a Filipina.
Okay.
Wow.
Ano pa? Oy,
How about Guy?
they said earlier they will form a boy band. What's the particular name of the band?
Our band is called
Four
Kita
Noise.
Kita.
That's
Four
right.
Noise.
It's open to
Four noise.
interpretation.
Four
Yeah,
noise.
but there's a lot of ways you could see it.
For noise or foreign noise?
Four noise,
Four
but you can, parang social na pagsalita ng foreign noise.
Parang NEO graduate, gano'n.
Yeah, parang ganun
Foreign
lang.
noise.
Kanya-kanya lang.
Anyways, do you have any gigs, upcoming shows and events? Please do invite
Yes,
our
we have on
viewers.
11th at CDs in Ortigas, and we will be we have other gigs coming up with GMA as well. So please do check our Facebook.com/4noise. We have all the schedules there, and of course, right now nandito sa Letters and Music, and mamaya maririnig nyo rin kami sa Pinas FM.
Ayun.
Segue Alam na ni Aisako yan because Aisako is always a
Soke.
part of Letters and
Soke.
Music.
Soke na ako
Si
dito.
Sako ay suki.
Sako ay suki na.
Don't change my name.
Oo. Kung may pasasalamatan kayo guys, go ahead.
Please.
Yes, of course. I'd like to thank all the fans, AJ Liam, all the Isaac Conatics, and of course the Four Noise Forevers. Thank you very much. Grace, Mommy Shane, in behalf of you.
Hi, Mommy Shane.
Go.
Lindsay,
Shane,
how are you?
Your girlfriend.
Yeah, I'll thank Julia Kisobing for the support and video editing and
Artista rin
everything.
yun.
Oo nga eh.
Eric.
Alistar.
Alistair James Kais, yung nagmamanage sa akin.
Angie Vizquera.
His faith in me, and also all of my friends that live in Cavite and Manila and throughout all the Philippines that have supported me all this time.
I'd like to thank my sister, who's really been supportive. In fact, she's going to come and
She's
visit
gonna
me this
come, right?
Wednesday, so I'm really looking forward to that.
Oh, I should mention my sister
Sorry,
Aiko.
looking forward to it.
Aimee.
Aiko,
Yeah, and I should thank my family. You guys rock.
Alright.
Yeah,
At
yeah,
dahil
ma'am.
dyan, naku,
We're
excited
family
na
guys.
ako. Excited na ako marinig yung song nila.
Yung song nila. Kanina, yung song na kinanta nila,
Cover.
it's a cover
It's a
from
cover, Itchy Worms
Itchy
Series.
Worms, which was also covered by JMD Guzman.
Maganda yung version niya. And
Tapos,
of course,
ang gumanda pa lalo yung version nyo.
wow! We should treat them. Tara, labas tayo.
Halika na, huwag na tayo kontan. Bye
Kain na tayo.
guys.
Okay, sige.
Ito
Pakinggan
na,
natin.
sinulat ni Isako tong song na to.
Thanks for the special mention. Yeah,
Of
I did.
course. At dahil dyan, huwag na natin patagalin pa. I wanna hear it.
Ladies and gentlemen, right here sa Letters and Music, ako, apat na gwapo, dito tutugtog kumakanta. Siyempre naman, kaabang-abang to, 49!
Mahal din kita, so please be mine. Yaya dabidu, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Cause all of you, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Yaya dabidu, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Ooh.
Never expected ng bayan magkaroon ng ganito.
It all started with Pabebe waves sa likod ng Pamaypay.
Alam mong bawal kay Lola, but you chose to show your smile.
True love, tumigil bang oras? Kinilig ang puso ko.
Oh, forever nga ba to? Mahal din kita, so please be mine. Yaya dabidu, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Cause all of you, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Yaya dabidu, mahal din kita, so please be mine.
Sa una nating pagkikita, sa labas na ng kahon.
Sobrang ganda ng dress mo. Can I pay your Mr. Right?
Ito na ba, is this the right time to hold you in my arms?
Getting closer to my heart, put my heart on na naman.
Whoa, sa tamang panahon, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Yayadabidu, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Cause out of you, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Yayadabidu, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Di ko na alam anong sunod na mangyayari. Alam nating may happy ending, kasabay ang buong mundo. So tara na.
Di ko ma-explain ang nararamdaman kong feelings na to. Sabay kilig at pansin kong puso ay nalilito.
So near yet so far, kundi na lang maabot na kita. Tinapawisan ako. Your voice, your touch, your lips, isa-isahin man. I'll wait for you. Dahil alam ko na, no matter what happens, walang pipigil sa atin at mayroong forever. Mahal din kita, so please be mine. Yayadabidu, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Cause all of you, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Yayadabidu, mahal din kita, so please be mine. Mahal din kita, mahal din kita, mahal din kita, mahal din kita.
Yama Napapabebe wave ako.
Alam mo na, LSS ako dun. Yayadabidu.
Yabadabadu!
Aba!
Oh, may gumawa ng lyrics video sa YouTube eh. Tapos nakalagay, Yayadab with you.
Diba?
So, uulitin po namin, i-correct po namin. Andito mismo ang nagsulat, hindi po Yayadabidu. Kung hindi...
Thank you for the correction.
Kung hindi, Yaya...
Dabidu.
Dabidu. Oh,
Hindi rin yung sinabi ko kanina, Yabadabadu.
Iba din yun. Flintstones yun.
Dabidu.
Anyway, guys, kung meron pa kayo nakalimutan pasalamatan, push na natin to. Tsaka yung mga social
Mismo.
media accounts.
Follow.
Instagram, Twitter,
Yes, please.
Friendster.
Social media accounts.
Social media accounts.
Yeah.
You can find us on www.facebook.com/4noise.
N-O-I-Z.
N-O-I-Z.
That's right.
Yeah,
What about your personal page, bro?
Yeah,
Personal page.
Please.
You can find me.
Yeah.
Me.
ikaw na.
At facebook.com/Eric Busby. It's B-U-Z-B-E-E music.
Very good.
That's it.
You can follow me, guys, on Instagram, aaron.dito, or you can follow me on Facebook, Aaron Ditomaso. Search it in. I'll be there with all of interesting online posts for you to check out.
Alright.
I'm a social geek, so you can find me on Instagram, Guiadorno1010, and that's it.
Alright.
Yes,
And
may Instagram, Aisaku_Happon. Meron din ako Twitter, Isasako Kita. Then yung Facebook ko, Aisaku Yokogawa, A-I-S-A-K-U, and Aisaku Music. And 4Noise, meron pa po kami Twitter, 4Noise Official, and 4Noise sa Instagram. Thank you very much. Arigato!
Salamat.
Nakakatuwa naman,
Oo,
no?
yun,
Diba?
yun.
Oo. Again,
Salamat.
thank you so much for
Thank you.
guesting sa Letters
Thank
and
you.
Music. And looking
Maraming
forward sa
salamat,
album, ah.
Of
Yeah.
course.
Lumabas na yung album, balik ulit kayo dito.
Correct.
Please.
Balik lang kayo anytime. So, tomorrow ulit.
Yan na lang kapag libre ko sa'yo, ha?
Ay, pero bago tayo magtapos, ilang paalala muna mga ka-Letters and Music.
Laging maging updated sa mga happenings dito sa Letters and Music. Just log on to our Facebook page, facebook.com/lettersandmusic. Send us an email at lettersandmusic25@gmail.com.
At syempre, mapapanood nyo din ang mga past segment at episode ng Letters and Music sa youtube.com/lettersandmusic. Mapapanood nyo din kami at iba pang programs ng Net25 via live streaming. Just log on to eaglebroadcasting.net/net25tv.
Thank you, Lolo Ayan. At kung na-miss nyo ang
Grabe
episode
naman.
na ito, parang Lolo yung boses mo. Kung na-miss nyo ang episode na ito ng Letters and Music, abangan ang aming encore encore telecast every day at 11 p.m. dito pa rin sa Net25. Later, you may watch your episode at 11 p.m. O,
That's
diba?
online. Wow,
Yeah,
thank you.
on TV, Net25. Yes.
alright.
So we
Thank you.
have encore telecast every day. And patuloy lang na bumoto sa ating online voting para sa ating top 5 music video of 2015. Just log on to our Facebook page, facebook.com/lettersandmusic. At dahil dyan, sana na-enjoy yung aming Pasabog Monday edition ng Letters and Music. Bukas ulit, kita-kita same time, same channel. My name is Apple Chu, and I'm 1 with 25.
Ako naman po si Batoeng, si Raymond Stone, and I am 1 with 25.
At syempre, nandito pa rin ako si I'm Dano, and I'm 1 with 25.
Alright! Enjoy your
49!
Monday!
Later on the radio.